Right, we're gonna have fish cakes. That's all I fancy today. We're just gonna lay them up like we want. Do you know what it is, right? I think today has been one of those days where I haven't been left alone. If it's not the kids, it's something or someone. Not bad stuff, but it's just one of those days. Then I come down to relax and I get it's the dog. The dog's trying to fucking hump me constantly, so he's on heat. I've got the black cat there, I've got the ginger fucking bastard there. I literally sat down to have like 5 minutes to myself, and one fucking clawing into me, the other one's trying to sit onto me. Fuck off! You know, like, everybody, leave me alone! No touchy! You know? One of those. I know what I'm saying. But you're just like, everybody, not today, okay? Big animals, they are needy. My animals are anyway. Anyway, a bit of mayo. That's just how I feel. That is just how I feel this evening. Should I shake this? Seemed a bit worried, didn't it? Bit of this, bit of this, bit of that. Bit of jobiness. Anyway, how's everyone else? How's your day been today? Has it been all right? Have you eaten? If not, come and make something with me. Anything. As long as you eat something. Something is better than nothing. Even though some people don't like to hear it. What's going on? By the way, I haven't washed my hair in actual days. And I was supposed to wash it today, but then I felt bad because I needed to take my mum shopping. But I can't do it tomorrow because something was on. And his new bed's coming. So I had to do that. And then I thought, you know what? I can't be fucked to have a shower, basically. So I had a shower. Like, I washed my body, but I couldn't be bothered to wash my hair. So I'm just going to shove some dry shampoo in it and be done with it. Sometimes you just need a good fish cake. There he is, ginger prick. Can I not just have 1 minute? What is it? What is it? I love you really, but you are annoying. Oh God. Anywho, let's have some of this. You know, I don't really have vinegar on things, but on fish cakes I just need to. I told you before, right? But honestly, before I started eating on here, and I started liking other things that I didn't really have, jalapeno was one of them. I used to pick them out, it was just far too hot. Now, I love them. I haven't tasted the red ones because I feel like I just don't want to buy them in case I don't like them. Are they hotter? That feels hot. That was hot. I can't believe it's literally 2 more weeks till Christmas. And then it's going to be gone. And then we're back into January, which is boring month, isn't it? Too much ketchup on that one. Ellie's going to have lasagna in a minute. I didn't fancy that. But she had to have a shower first. Whatever. See? Bish bash bosh. Easy, simple, divine. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm going to go trying to relax on my own, but I know I'm going to get harassed by these. 1 horny dog, 1 needy cat, and then the ginger prick that just has no excuse but does things anyway. Hey ho, I love them. Have a good evening.